Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I am going to talk to you about routing. Is it still worth it in 2018? I'm Abhiram from Randa Shashi. Let's begin. So what is routing? Routing is the process of attaining super user access in your phone. Super user access is basically like an administrator access. First, let's talk about the advantages of routing. The most popular reason why people root their phone is the wide variety of custom ROMs available. Custom ROMs are basically modified versions of Android. One of the other great reasons why you should root your phone is the improved battery life. If you're getting low standby time on your phone, rooting your phone isn't such a bad idea. There are apps such as SnapTime and Greenify that works with root access that will restrict the background activity after the screen is turned on. I'll leave links to the app in the description down below. One of the major advantages of rooted smartphones are the wide range of themes available. The best way to modify the themes of your rooted smartphones are with the Substrat theme engine. These are all the advantages that comes with rooting your phone. But there is plenty of risk and things to consider before rooting your phone. And if you're someone who's starting off and is looking to root your device, I highly recommend that you do your research and be extremely careful. One major disadvantage of rooting is that you could lose your phone's warranty. Another disadvantage is that apps that carry sensitive information like banking apps may refuse to run on rooted smartphones. Apps like Google Pay, Netflix, Snapchat, and other banking apps are few examples. Tampering with your bootloader can be extremely dangerous. Even a small mistake in flashing a ROM could put your phone in boot loop or could even break it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching.